Hello students, we are going to continue our essay The Spider and the Bee, and we have read that there is a spider resting in his castle, and we have some idea of the architecture of that castle, which is originally cobweb and is structured that how it is so well planned that in any condition, whether it is the situation of hunting or whether it is the situation of protecting himself, there are so many options to secure from any condition. It means in that castle every situation, every condition that will be favorable for the spider. Okay, we have also read that there are many courts, and if some wants to go inside and meet the constable of that castle, he will have to cross many ways, many doors, and after that he will find the real constable of that house. We have it till here, and now we are going to continue from that. And this is the essay of Jonathan Swift. So in this video we are going to read that how gather spider gather all his courage and come inside, and what the argument happens between the spider and bee. We will all see in this essay, and this is the image of Jonathan Swift, who wrote this interesting essay, and this essay is a part of the Battle of Books, which is published in 1704. So here we are going to continue. We have read that which had windows in fronting to each avenue and ports to sally out upon all occasion of prey or defense. As I have just told that in the main chamber of the spider there are many windows which open in the opposite directions of each other, and many doors, so that whenever the condition comes of hunting, he can easily trap his victim, and when the situation comes of defense, he can run away easily from this windows and doors. So we are going to continue. In this mansion he had for some time dwelt in peace and plenty. Now the spider had made this castle, so obviously it's right to rest in this with peace and plenty, prosperity. So for some time, the spider living his life very easily in this castle, without danger to his person by swallows from above, because or to his palace by broom from below. Means this castle is in the middle. It is not so high that any insect or any creature can hurt this or break this, and it is from exact height from the floor, so that broom also cannot reach there. So to this castle there is no danger from up and down, because it is in the exact middle size of the house or of the window, without danger to his person by swallow and from above, and or to his palace by brooms from below. Means there is no danger, no risk from to this castle or to this spider. When it was the pleasure of fortune to conduct thither, when it was the pleasure of fortune to conduct thither a wandering bee, when the spider was living his life very carefree, very easily in his castle, one day an incident occurred. What was this incident? An insect came. And who is this insect? The bee. A wandering bee to a wandering bee means a visiting bee. What's the job of bee? Fly here and there and collect some production raw material to product honey and wax also. So a visiting bee came there, a wandering bee to whose curiosity a broken piece in the glass had discovered itself. And when this visiting bee looked at this broken window or broken mirror of the window, some curiosity wake up in him. So to and because of this curiosity, he got inside that what's inside, what's the behind uh, this broken glass. देखिए, wanting bee to whose curiosity a broken pail in the glass had discovered itself. A visiting bee came there and see a broken glass of the window, and then she thought, what can be behind this broken glass and window? So it was a curiosity just to know about this condition or this scene, and he went in, and because of this curiosity he went inside, where expecting a while he last happened to uh, alight upon one of the outward walls of the spider's citadel. And when he got inside and tried to start climbing at the first outing wall of the castle, and which is this castle cobweb of spider. So he started to climb to see that what's at the height of this castle. Expecting a while, he at last happened to alight upon one of the outward wall of the spider's castle. He started climbing at the spider's castle, which yielding to the unequal weight sank down from very foundation. Now B is overweight according to the castle's architecture. So when he climbed up to the castle. The very foundation of that castle shook, and unequal weight sank down means climbing of this bee make the very foundation of castle shook, and it made some disturbance to spider. Thrice he endeavored to force his passage. 3 times he tried to make some way. He tried to find some way to come out or come inside or get upside to the of the castle, and thrice the center shook. And whenever we tried to make some way, we tried to climb up. Every time this climbing shook the foundation of castle. The spider within feeling terrible convulsion, and when the inside living